Today, take a look at the VEVOR material stand. Oh, nice. So I do like that the thing folds up, so we don't have to worry about it taking up too much space. We do have a lock right here. We don't have to worry about that thing collapsing on its own. Not really a big deal because when you put weight on it, that's going to keep the legs spread apart. Oh, it actually has a carrying handle here too. That's cool. So on the top, this is on a screw. So you could just take this guy and spin it to the height that we want. But obviously, whenever we get that close to the height that we want the piece to be sitting inside of it. So then we can just take this guy and we can turn that to tighten it up. And that will also give us a lot more leverage. Now there is a little observation window in here. So we can look in there and make sure that we are not about to run out of thread. Right about there. Okay. So right now I can see the bottom of the thread through that hole, so I know that if I go too much further, it's going to become dangerous. Now you can also see this plate right here, how it's kind of offset a little bit. But right now this is tight, and if we just give this guy some time to yank up, and if that doesn't work, we can rotate the whole thing around and just give it a smack. It'll loosen that plate up, and then we can pull that out. So that is how we can further adjust the height. And then when we get the height that we want, we can lock this down, and then this plate will also help to hold the load. So we can get quite a bit of length out of this guy, even though it easily compacts down to something that you can put inside of a cabinet. So that is an awesome tool. That's awesome. So trying to get stock into this saw has been a constant struggle. I was trying to use that handler over there, but it wasn't tall enough. It's real stout. But what I ended up doing is I was doing stuff like this, and this is what they call dumb stuff, because you can make it work, you can get it just right, but if things become unbalanced, it can become a real problem. So this one, because it's adjustable, I could bring that down to make it perfectly level. Now one rotation is going to be about 1/8 of an inch, so you can make this thing real fine and precise. Then when you make your cut, you know that you're going to be perfectly straight. And on top of that, I ain't got to hold that heavy piece of bar right there. So yeah, that thing is awesome.